What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp, and today is going to be a really quick and easy one. So, we're going to be talking about a scope. So, what is a scope in C Sharp? I already have some definition right here. It says a scope in C Sharp can be defined as a block of code where a variable or a function has its existence. It's like a house where your variable and functions live. Exactly. That's what it is. That's what it is. But please, guys, before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like what we're doing right here with the channel, yeah, just give it a like, subscribe. We're growing slowly but steady. So this is just an example that we did the last time. Okay. So all right. So let's create a variable now. Okay, let's just do a variable. Let's just say int. Let's just do a string variable. We're going to call it local because it's just local right here. And we're going to put a name right here, a stream. Let's just put this type of cars. Let's just put Toyota. So basically, like the definition says, it's like a house where your variable and function live. So where the variable and function has its existence. So basically, what happened is in this function, I created this variable, right? So this is the scope, and between these brackets for this function, this variable belongs to this string local Toyota. What is going to happen if I want to use the same variable name in a different function? Let's go to the next function. Let's just go local equals to, oh man, come on, dude, local. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. Let me just get rid of that. Let's just copy this local name, put right here, and boom, right there. Let's just do equals to. Let's just do Toyota. Let's just do man, Ford. I can't remember the name of the cars. So what is going to happen, right, is giving us this error message right here. The name local doesn't exist in the current context. Yeah, that's correct. It doesn't exist in the current. So if I do a string, that's going to be unique to this. So this local variable name is unique to this method right here. So that's the scopes that it belongs to. That's where it lives. And this other one is the same variable name. It belongs to this one, to this next function, the next method right here. And that's what we have. Yeah, pretty simple to understand, But anyway, so that was pretty quick and easy, very basic. Hopefully this helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.